Hi beauties and welcome back to my channel. For today I've got this fresh, fun, four-colored eye look. It is a little bit sunsetty. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. First we're going in with the eye base from Feelin number 1. And as you know, I am taking a little bit at the back of my hand and go in with a very dense brush and pick a little bit up, not too much. So, just buff that in. We're moving on to the Jaclyn Hill Palette number 2, volume 2. And first we're going in with the color Feelin myself, and we are going to put that over here. Doesn't matter if it's coming a little bit low. We're going to build that up quite a bit. Be careful with these pigments because they are very pigmented, and if you take a lot at once, that means blending is harder. So we're going in with the color No Joke. It's a nice bright yellow. And we're going to buff that orange color out with the yellow. So let's blend it, but I really need some intensity back. So like this, much better. So now I'm putting a little bit of Feelin myself brighter in here, really in the crease. So like that is built up. I have a little bit of déjà vu of my previous video from King's Day, but we're not going that direction. So I'm going back in with the Feelin base, Rumor 1. And I'm just going to cut the crease, but for the half part. So it's the inner portion. So we still see a little stripe of orange over there. That's what we want. So just like this. So now I'm picking up the color Stay True. And I'm just placing it underneath the yellow. It's a nice plump color. Going back in with Feelin myself and just stamp that on that edge of the end of the cut. So everything is going to be brighter over there. So I'm getting a flat brush who can get that orange better on there for me. Then I'm going back in with the color No Joke, and that is for the cut that I made. So just get a very dense brush and pack that on there. So just like this. And then I'm going to grab the palette's 35B, and I'm going in with this nice yellow. And I'm just placing that in the inner corner and on top of the yellow, because it just needs a little bit of sparkle. and it makes the look a lot softer. So we're going to press that on the edge of the purple and the orange so that it's more seamless transition. Just press it. So the transition is a lot better, but I like the pigment to be better over here as well. So it has a summery feel, almost a sunset feel. I think we can say that this is a sort of sunset look. So I did my other eye and my face makeup, and now we're going to do the under eye makeup, and we're going back in with Stay True. Just connect that in the corner, build it up. I really like this color so much. And I'm just going to swipe that through the lower lash line, so to buff it out even more. I have a brush with a little bit of concealer on it to make it straight again over here. And then I'm going to pick up that yellow again from the 35B palette, and I'm dragging that down here. Something like this. Then we're going in with the LA Girl Shockwave. Yes. Hello it is. So for the mascara we're going to use the Sky High by Maybelline. I already curled my lashes, so I don't have to do that anymore. And then I'm going to use the Nude Rose, and that's the Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick by e.l.f. Okay, and this is the final look for today. It's fun, it's fresh, it's only 4 colors, it's not that difficult, just blend and know where not to blend. Especially the orange and the purple. If you blend that too much, it can be a little bit muddy. But if you don't do it, you've got this fun look. I hope you had fun watching this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!